Hey, what's up? So today I will show you how to create an account in Pinterest. So this is going to be very easy. So let's start. So first let's go to pinterest.com and then click on sign up. So here you have three options. So you can use your email address, you can use your Facebook, or you can use your Google account. So if you have a Google account, the easiest option for you is to use Google. So let's go ahead and click on Google. Choose the Google account you want to use and click on continue. Now in here, select the category that you are interested in. After selecting, click on Done. Now your account is all set. So this is all for this video, guys. This is how you can create an account in Pinterest. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.